Immediately while he was still speaking, Judas, one of the 12, arrived, and with him there was a crowd with swords and clubs from the chief priests, the scribes, and the elders. Now the betrayer had given them a sign, saying, "The one I will kiss is the man. Arrest him and lead him away under guard." So when he came, he went up to him at once and said, "Rabbi," and kissed him. Then they laid hands on him and arrested him.
While still in the Garden of Gethsemane, Jesus returns to Peter, James, and John, who he has left briefly for private prayer, and finds them all asleep. He calls them out. But before Jesus and James and John can respond to Jesus' anger, Judas arrives with a crowd armed with swords and clubs. This is not a random group, but one that comes from the chief priests, the scribes, and the elders, who we know are out to get Jesus any way they can. Judas identifies Jesus to the evil crowd with a greeting and a kiss, normally a friendly gesture in Jesus' time, but we know it is the kiss of death for Jesus. The crowd grabs Jesus and arrests him.